Throw it. Detonate. Woo!
Don't touch mine.
Good morning, guys. That random guy here. Today is my 10th vlog. I finally reached the 10th vlog mark thing. But today is gonna be a fun vlog because first we're gonna go somewhere. We're gonna get something that I'm not gonna tell you. You have to wait for it. And then we are going to I am going to my friend Rishab's house. Sorry, I just woke up. Yeah, I'm going to my friend Rishab's house, or Rishba, as we call him at school. He gets really annoyed when I say that. And then I'm gonna go home and sleep. Yeah. So I'll see you whenever, wherever, whatever, bye. So right now we are walking into town. Hello. Here's Sunny. There's my mom. We're just walking. Nice. Okay, right. And we're gonna get the thing that I'm not allowed to tell you yet. Well, you probably know from the title.
Yeah.
Which is kind of stupid, but oh well. Yeah. So I'll see you at the shopping centre or mall, whatever you call it. Got it. No. So we are here. Let me just take my jacket off. Sonny got that weird thing.
I love it. Big frogs?
Yeah, we're having lunch. Fidget spinner. I got a fidget spinner. Right,
I already
okay.
did mine because I ate. Got some chips and what to look at.
Sonny, would you shut up?
Yeah, just show them what
Can't get this open. So I have it. My hands are so small you can hardly get it in my hand. 2 minutes. Okay, well it doesn't spin as fast as it said, but like
it says it spins for 2 minutes.
Spins for it's over 2 minutes spin. Like, really?
I swallowed for like 2 seconds.
Is that all it does? Is that all it does? Is that all it does?
Yeah.
All it does. And my toilet.
So I got the fidget spinner.
This is so amazing because when you throw it up in the air, it goes away.
Yeah, Sonny got that thing.
You gonna finish your drinks?
Yeah, okay. Lunch was good. Fidget spinner, good. I mean, obviously not as good. No, guys, look what I can do.
This thing is so cool.
Yeah, you probably know what one of these are because they're so popular. Anyway,
Let's go to Rishab's.
yeah, I'm going to Rishba's house. Okay, bye. So right now, I'm at Rishab's house and on his Switch.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna play Overwatch and we're gonna troll some people.
Hopefully.
I might film it because, well, yeah. On the Switch while Rishba is playing Overwatch.
Victory!
Oh, did you win? Oh, cool. It's my turn now, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, right. I'm gonna play Overwatch now. Right now, I am playing Zelda. So Wait, can I have the controller thingy? Everything's at your side. Wait, the controller thing. Yeah! When Vishab's playing Overwatch, I'm gonna play, So guys, right now I'm playing Zelda on the Switch. As you can see on this giant controller. Okay, I want to show you something awesome. So here's an old man. And number 1. And then I'm gonna get my sword. Wait, where's my sword? I don't have my sword. This is the moment Finn realized he was wrong. I'm sure I picked it up. Wait, where do you get weapons?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't.
You have plenty of swords anyway. Rusty. Oh, that's the one is that it?
No, you lost on the traveler's sword.
I didn't!
It doesn't matter.
I honestly didn't. Where did it go?
Doesn't matter.
I literally disappeared.
It doesn't matter if you
Yes, it does. I need to find it for you. Oh, I think. Wait, do you lose stuff when you die? Because I fell off a cliff. Okay. Anyway, guys, here's a bomb. Right. If I drop it here, if I drop it at this old man, and then I'll detonate it. Boom! It's so fun to do that. Oh, and then I'm gonna shoot him again. It's fun. I'm gonna shoot him in the head. Ah! And then I'm gonna get a bomb. Throw it. Detonate. Woo! I love doing that. Yeah, that's basically all I have to show you because I'm just messing around right now. I'm gonna sleep until morning. Hey guys, you can see me! Anyway. Okay. Wait, Rishab, are you almost done playing? Because I want to play.
Yeah, you can play.
Okay, bye guys. Playing as Bastion. Or whatever his name is. And I'm going to defend my thingy. Well, this is Overwatch, but it's capture the flag. And it's being so laggy and weird. Why, Rishab? Tell me. Right, so I'm going to defend this place. I'm going to do L shift. So if people come, I can just shoot them like a bouse. Like a bouse. Like a bouse. Right, is anyone coming? If they are, then they're gonna die. Wait, is people here? Are people here? Are people here? Ah, who's killing me? Oh, someone died. I'm so bad at this game, guys. Like, so bad.
Yeah.
Like, you won't even know. I'm trying to turn the brightness down so you can see. Okay, anyway. Zoom in. Oh, enemy team has taken the flag. I need to put some health on me. Okay, right.
Did where's all my arrows gone, Finn?
I don't know. I haven't done anything. Yeah, Rishab's get annoying me because he thinks I lost his sword when I really didn't.
He did.
I didn't.
Yes,
Okay,
he did.
where's that guy you were playing as? Actually, I'll keep his Bastion.
Why? He can deflect the guy can deflect. My guy can deflect bullets. Can your guy deflect bullet? Oh wait, no, you can't.
No, I mean the guy that had the fast gun thing.
Oh, so
It's so laggy. Why? I'm just gonna keep jumping. Massive Overwatch gameplay.
Oh, no way. I broke down a tree.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
L shift, L shift, L shift. Yes! I eliminated Shadow Reaper. Yes. Shadow Reaper, right. On left. Shift. Right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Kill some peeps. Okay, maybe not actually. Left click. Ah! No, die. Oh, he had a shield. No.
That's the new character.
Guys out there that have a Nintendo Switch, did you know that you could play Zelda with just this? Just these two, without the controller? Like, I only just found out. It's just, oh my god.
He's stupid.
Or stupid, Rishba. Oh, I just put my charger on the pizza. Yeah, we were having pizza. FYI. Yeah, so... I'm playing on my own profile right now because Risha was annoyed that I apparently lost his sword.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah,
No,
you
I
were.
wasn't. Seriously, I wasn't.
But yeah. Fidget spinners for life. I can't even spin it with one hand. £5. I mean, that's good for a fidget spinner.
Of course it is.
Is it just me that holds it with their middle finger, or do you usually do this? Because my hands are so small that... Oh yeah, you can do this. It looks so cool on camera though. Like, as you've seen from before in the video, that I was really disappointed that it only spun like this. Actually, no, it spun like this. And I was so disappointed, but it was because I had to play with it more to make it go faster. You just hear the crickets in the background in Zelda. Yeah, but this is a good deal for £5. So good. And it helps with anxiety, ADHD, ADD, OCD, all that stuff. Yeah, it's so awesome. So I recommend it if you don't have one. Right, my iPod is about to run out of charge, so I will see you later. So right now my brother's playing Zelda.
Wait, show them the dash bit. Like,
What?
dash!
No! Oh, you drowned. You drowned.
I tried. Don't worry, I'm gonna...
Are you playing Overwatch?
Yeah.
Overwatch.
You're losing right now.
Are
I'm
you?
okay.
Yeah, Sunny's tired. So yeah, I think that might be the end of the vlog. Yeah.
You don't know what to
So yeah, I don't know what to say. But sorry, it was kind of a shorter vlog than usual. But yeah, anyway, like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Let's see if we can get to 10 likes. Yeah, so like, subscribe, join the squad of notification squad thing. Yeah, and bye.
Bye.